Welcome back, guys. Today our topic is the software testing. What is the software testing? First, need to understand software testing is the method to check whether the actual software product match expected requirements and to ensure that software product is defect free. In involves execution of software or system component using manual or the automation testing tool. The purpose of software testing is to identify the errors, gaps, or the missing requirements in contrast to actual requirement. Software testing means the verification of the application. Why software testing is important? Software testing is important because if there are any bugs or error in the software, it can be high early and can be resolved before delivery of the software product. Property tested software product ensure the reliability, security, and the high performance in the time saving, cost effective, and the customer satisfaction. Why need of the testing? Testing is important because software bugs could be expensive or the more dangerous. Software bugs can potentially cause monetary and the human loss. What are the benefits of the software testing? Benefits of software testing is the cost effective. In the way of the security, it is the most vulnerable and the sensitive benefits of the software testing. People are looking for the trusted product. It's help in the removing risk and the problem earlier. Product qualities. It is the essential requirement of any software product. Testing ensure a quality product is delivering to the customer. Most important benefit of the software testing is to customer satisfaction. What is that? The main aim of the any product is to give the satisfaction to their customer on the term of UI and UX testing. Ensure the best user experience. Now you know that in every places the software are using, right? In the hospital, in the shopping mall, in the mobile, everywhere we are using the software products, right? So if we are not testing thoroughly to the product, then it could be the dangerous. If in the hospital sites, if you know that if the software product is not tested well, then might be it will be the human loss. And it is the cost effective, means if the one bugs is find out in the production, so in that again we have to develop it, and then again we have to test it, and then we have to make it the production. Right, guys? See you guys in the next lecture.